Welcome to Varun Techie channel. Share, like and subscribe. Today we will discuss machine learning session 8. Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing in machine learning is a crucial step in the data analysis pipeline that involves cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data into a format suitable for training the machine learning models. The quality of the data used to train a model significantly influences the model's performance, and data preprocessing aims to address various issues in the raw data that may hinder effective machine learning. The first step is handling missing data, identifying and dealing with missing values in the dataset, either by removing the corresponding entries, filling in the missing values with statistical measures, or using more advanced imputation techniques. The second one is encoding categorical data, converting categorical variables which are text-based or non-numeric into a numerical format that machine learning algorithms can understand. Common methods include one-hot encoding for nominal data and label encoding for ordinal data. The next one is data scaling and normalization, ensuring that numerical features are on a similar scale. This is important for algorithms that are sensitive to the magnitude of features, such as gradient based optimization algorithms. Common techniques include standardization and normalization. The next one is handling outliers, identifying and addressing outliers in the data set. Outliers can disproportionately influence the model's behavior, and pre-processing techniques may involve removing outliers or transforming the data to reduce their impact. The next one is feature engineering, creating new features or transforming existing one to better represent the underlying patterns in the data. This can involve mathematical operations, combining existing features, or creating interaction terms. The next one is splitting the data set, dividing the data set into training and testing sets. The training set is used to train the model, and the testing set is used to evaluate its performance on unseen data. This helps assess how well the model generalizes to new and unseen examples. The next one is dealing with imbalanced data, addressing class imbalances in classification problems. This may involve oversampling the minority class, undersampling the majority class, or using more advanced techniques such as synthetic data generation. The next step is handling text and time data, processing and extracting features from text data, or dealing with time related features depending on the nature of the data. Finally, data pre-processing is an iterative process, and the specific steps taken may vary based on the characteristics of the dataset and the requirements of the machine learning algorithm being used. The goal is to create a clean, well organized, and appropriately formatted dataset that allows the machine learning model to learn patterns effectively and make accurate predictions on new and unseen data. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.